Look at the energy profile. Look at energy profile here. You say, what is the activation energy of the backward reaction in the diagram above? This is the diagram. We are asked to calculate what? Activation energy. But activation energy is the minimum amount of energy that is required to start what? A reaction. Now, for you to calculate, we have activation energy of the forward reaction, we have the activation energy of the backward reaction. The formula you can use to calculate activation energy is, we say that activation energy, this sign is what? Activation energy of the forward, this one is forward, okay, is equals to energy of the activation complex, energy of the reactant, activation energy of the forward reaction. If you are asked to calculate the activation energy of the forward reaction, you use this formula. Activation energy of the forward reaction, this F is forward reaction, is equals to energy of the activated complex minus energy of the reactant. Now, if you are now asked to calculate the activation energy of the backward reaction, you use this formula. Actidox. This is how to calculate what? To calculate activation energy. We have the reactant, we have the product. So what you are going to know, you minus the activated complex by the reactant to get your what? To get your forward reaction. To calculate your activation energy of the forward reaction, you minus the activated complex by what? By the reactant. Now we are going to identify our activated complex in this diagram. The highest point here, do you understand? Now the minimum point here, this is where the reaction take place. Now we are asked to calculate the one of the product. Look at this one is the one of reactant. Look at, if we are asked to calculate the one of forward, we would have just said we trade this one, the energy we get as well 400. So to calculate the one of forward is what? 400. Look at, activated complex will be what? 400 minus, what is the reactant? This is the one of reactant, 100, equals to what? 300 kJ. That is the one of what? Reactant. But we are asked, look at, what is the activation energy of the backward reaction? Backward reaction is this one, and backward reaction is what? 2xy will give you what? Will give you x2 plus y2. This is what? Backward reaction. Backward reaction. And what is, and how do we get our activation energy? We say activation energy, look at it, activation energy is equals to, what is the activation complex? Activated complex is what? 400 minus, do you get that? It force award in between here, it is 150, because it's not where the, look at, it falls away in between 100 to 200. That center is what? Is 150. Do you get that? So when you are given, just trace where the product, remember we are looking at the product here. My own first award 150, I will not say 150. So now activation energy will be equals to 400 minus, that is our answer.